Hello everyone, I'm here with Diabolo Bros, and today we'll be showing you a tutorial of the Whirly bird. Now, this is a really hard trick, and it takes time to practice and learn. To start off, you're going to need a lot of speed to get down the positioning. Now once you have the speed, you're going to go into a left inverse trapeze. Now it looks something like this. You take your right stick and you wrap it over the top of the left stick like that, and then you bring the left stick near the Diabolo and you wrap it, an inverse trapeze underneath it, and catch it onto that string. It should look like that. Then after that, you're going to take your right stick and fling it around the strings like that, and just let go of all the loops, and then it should drop left, dark side, off the ground, and then you fling it up across arm, and then you cross your arms and catch it back. So, again, the left, inverse trapeze, then the right stick swooshes around, then you unhook, grab it, fling it, and catch it. Now it's hard to get it to get the catch off the ground, but once you do get it, it's really cool trick. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to check out the rest of our channel and comment any suggestions for any other tutorials you would like for us to do. And here is a slow motion replay of the Whirly bird.